In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reinstall Google Chrome on your MacBook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Apple icon up in the menu bar and then select System Settings. On the left panel, select General, and then on the right side, select where it says Storage. Give the list on the right a moment to load here. And there should be an item that says Applications. Select the little I with a circle inside of it. Locate Google Chrome from the list and then select the delete option down here. And then once it's done deleting, I'd recommend restarting your computer and then launch a web browser. Doesn't really matter which one. We're just going to open up Safari and you want to search for Google Chrome. And it looks like it actually takes us directly to Google Chrome's website, but you may just want to go to Google and then search for Google Chrome. Go ahead and select the Google result that should say from google.com, Google Chrome. You want to get it directly from Google here. We're going to select the download Chrome option on this page. Again, it should be from Google. I'm going to go ahead and select allow to allow this download to proceed. And then once it's on our device, just go ahead and open up that file. And we're going to run it. Just give it a moment. Drag the Google icon into the application folder here. And give that a moment. And then it's just installing in the background here. And then just double click on the file. Once it's done here, it should begin opening up. It's going to ask you should you want to open it, select open. And then if you want to set it as your default browser, you can. Otherwise, just uncheck it and then go ahead and start up Google Chrome. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.